Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. Today I get to walk you through this 2014 Chaparral 226. This is a 22-foot boat. Like I said, 2014. We got the black hull side right here. We've got the nice swim platform in the back. This is a Volvo Penta. This is a V8, 300 horsepower. We've got radio here in the back, nice swim area, and a nice ladder. So some more stuff to see on the interior. Let's go take a look. All right, well, welcome aboard. We've got a nice sun pad in the back here. Now on both sides, we do have access to lift these up and get through into the boat. But again, nice area to just kind of chill and hang out. And then as you see inside the boat, we got nice U-shaped seating, a couple captain's chairs. The floor is snap in, snap out. Got some storage over here. The helm, fairly simple, nice gauges. Does have some blue LED lighting that does turn on. Nice seating around here. You've got a place for a table right here in the cockpit. Storage underneath those seats. There is a wind door that can be closed on those windy days. Then a nice big bow, again, 22 feet. Got some cup holders, speakers, another place for a table. Again, 2014 Chaparral here in Rogers. Stop on by or give us a call and set up an appointment.